everyone, and Happy New Year. May this year be a blessed one for you and yours. Thanks for making your way back to my kitchen. We'll be making Afang soup today, so let's get started. First, we have water leaf. The proportion of water leaf to Afang should be about 70-30. 70% water leaf and 30% Afang. Next, we have our stockfish. I'll be using the head. We also have crayfish, and you will need a generous amount of crayfish. We also have salt and seasoning to taste. And palm oil. When making Afang soup, you need a lot of palm oil. We'll also be using periwinkles with the shells on. This has been dressed and thoroughly washed. And for some heat, we'll be using yellow habanero pepper. We'll be using assorted, that is beef intestine, and cow head. I like to use cow head because the gelatin from the skin helps to further thicken the soup. So what I have in the pot is the cow head and assorted. I did not add the liver, I'll add them later. And I've added pepper, seasoning and salt. I did not use onion while steaming the meat because onion tends to give Afang a funny taste, so I won't be using onion at all. To prep my water leaf, I'll shred them into tiny pieces and wash with salt. This will help in washing off the slime. Washing off the slime feels like washing off the vitamins, yeah? But luckily for us, water leaf contains a lot of vitamins, even more than our bodies need per meal. So the slime in water leaf tends to also soften your boil, so washing some of it off is not a total bad idea. This is what it looks like after washing. The meat is 90% cooked. I'll add water. And it's time to add the liver. I'll also add crayfish. You want to be very generous with your crayfish, guys. Then I'll add seasoning. And palm oil. I'll add some of it now and the rest later. And when making Afang soup, you want to be sure that your palm oil is very good. I'm adding the periwinkles now because I want for it to release all its flavor in the soup. Then I'll go in with the stockfish and cover the pot. While that is cooking, I'll pound the Afang leaf until it's smooth. My oil is properly cooked. I'll go in with the water leaf and allow it to steam for about 5 minutes. Then I'll go in with the Afang leaf and the remaining palm oil. with a good stir, and our obonge afang soup is ready. This was totally easy to make, yeah? Make your afang soup this way and they'll swear you're from Akwa Ibom. Thanks for staying with me to this point, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Bye, and see you on our next post.